Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another Fallout New Vegas video. Last left off, I passed away in the vault. I died, and I didn't know how, but I figured out why. I accidentally accessed some personal accounts on the terminal or whatever. It's some stuff on the terminal I accessed, and it locked me in forever. But, yeah, I finally figured out what to do, but here it is. So let's get on with it so I can get back to the Mojave Wasteland.
You're in the vault, finally, after all this time. The Sierra Madre. Mine. Don't move. Don't go into the vault. Don't touch anything else. There may be more traps down there. Another security system. Hiding? Hardly. Trapped. You think you were the first one to unlock the casino door? No, I did it. With other hands, other bodies. After that, the casino wouldn't let go. Once I was locked in, no way out. Until your Pip-Boy said you came to life in the villa. Then things changed. And here you are. Do I? For what? Your greed, curiosity. You came here on your own. No one else will come to your head. I've seen your Pip-Boy archives, your map markers and notes. You picked up the Sierra Madre safe out just as I did. You couldn't resist. So if you feel I have a lot to answer for, no, the blame isn't on my shoulders. Might as well have put the collar on yourself. You speak as if your fingers have never touched the keys of a Robco terminal. No machine is foolproof. They are designed to obey us. The Pip-Boy's operating system has vulnerabilities, advantages to those who've studied its construction, even superficially. It's just a machine, though. Its real vulnerability is who wears it. And that's how you were caught. That thing on your wrist, it's a convenience. It tells you where to go, what to do. Dulls your brain. It may have helped you find the Sierra Madre broadcast, but it's just as much a crutch today as it was in the old world. Curious? You must be. We have time now that you've done your work, and our interactions have been too one-sided, even for my tastes. No, I'm not going to take the chance while I'm so close. Not this close. No, not again. I can wait. Afford to be careful. You're locked down there. This is the only entrance, and I have free reign of the Sierra Madre. I have time. More than you. Besides, there might be more traps. I'll send more scouts in. Yes, others. You're resourceful. Don't want to leave anything more to chance. No, I don't think so. It'd most likely trigger other security measures. If you hurt the vault at all. The builder of the casino built it to last. The Sierra Madre withstood the war. I'm sure the vault is protected as well. Besides, you wouldn't have followed the signal if you didn't want this place's secrets for your own. You're curious, past the threats.
I'm gonna save it just in case. We got some really sad music going on, so I'm hearing music.
Staying in the vault. Think it'll protect you? No. I don't think so. I'll have the Sierra Madre kill you for me. You can't beat all the casino's defenses. It's only a matter of time now.
Well, thanks you, my friend. Well, especially whenever I got my systems right here.
Did you really think you could steal from me?
Crap. He doesn't even look like his face, like on the screen, like, but what? What the heck? This is not good at all. I gotta kill her. Jesus! No Gauss rifle is that powerful. No, there's no way. Get away, you mother! Ah! Come on, why isn't it hurting? Jeez! No! Come on! Shit. Oh crap, what's going on? What's he got on? Oh my god. Wait, how much is it? Go. I don't know where I'm going, but okay, whatever. Go. No! No! Go. You're almost there. Come on, Nathan. Come on. Oh! Dang! Oh, that was so close.